I have this pivot table here, and I would like to group my cities by criteria for which I don't have any field. So, for example, I want Berlin and London to be on the same group, and then Madrid, Paris, and Rome on another group. So the way to do that is to click on each individual cell from the row labels, right-click, and then pick group. And you see this will create a group 1 over here. And now these values are going to be treated as part of a group. We can name this group however we want. Then we can do the same thing for the rest of the fields. It has created another group, which we can again rename. If we inspect the pivot table fields, notice that this has added another field in here, which we can simply remove, add. We can treat it as part of our normal calculations. We can either remove the original city column from over here, and then we are going to see a breakdown for our custom grouping that we just made. This is how to do it. Thumbs up the video if you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one.